Seeds are the key to life for new plants. Within this basket of delicious ripe fruit are many seeds, each with the potential to grow into a new plant. The seeds are found under the protective layers of fruit. Avocados have one large seed. Melons contain many smaller seeds arranged in rows. Kiwi fruits also have seeds inside them. Some plants, like coconut palms, have seeds that are protected by a dry, tough fruit. Their seeds are among the largest in the world. The green covering, or husk, is thick enough to prevent the seed within from cracking when it falls or is pulled from the palm. Surrounded by the leathery fruit is the coconut seed itself. The seed is filled with a sweet liquid. This moistens a tiny embryo buried inside the seed. The coconut embryo, the first stage in the plant's growth, is nourished by a white food supply inside the seed coat. Like the coconut, most seeds have a food store. Many foods either are seeds themselves, such as sweet corn, or contain seeds, like tomatoes. Each seed is a tiny packet of life that holds the beginning of a new plant. Seeds are very important in our diet. Lentil curry consists of lentils and rice, both of which are seeds. We grind pepper seeds to flavor food.
Have you got enough for the salad? Do you want to...
Bread is made from wheat seeds, and the spread from the oil of sunflower seeds.
There's some nice tomatoes ready.
They're very, very tiny.
We can have fun planting seeds and watching them grow.
Just going to say that.
Cress seeds are spread evenly over the soil so that they will have enough space to grow.
Right. Was that true?
Right, just use those up as well. Got some spaces over here.
Yeah.
We're going to cover them over a little bit, just very, very gently, like this.
The soil must be fine so that the small new shoots can push their way through it and grow.
Yeah. There we are.
We'll be able to eat those soon.
Yeah.
Now, we finished that. Should we go and put something in outside?
Yeah.
Huh? You carry the seeds then. Get the trowel. Right. Off we go.
Bean seeds grow well in a garden. Lines of string help us plant them in even rows. Kidney bean plants are much bigger than cress, so their seeds must be planted further apart. The seeds are best planted in moist soil because they need water to grow. With enough sunshine, warmth, water, and oxygen, and a good soil covering, the seed's requirements for growth have been met. Speeded up photography shows the young root pushing down into the soil, branching and growing. The roots absorb water and minerals, vital to help the plant grow. The tender shoots push upward to the light and soon spread their first pair of leaves. The early growth of a seed is called germination. Before long, many leaves have opened. The stem thickens, twists, and climbs up its support. The leaves are thin and flat. They trap the energy in sunlight and use it to make the simple sugar that allows the plant to grow. Once fully grown, most plants begin to produce flowers. Flowers are vital parts of plants because they are responsible for making the seeds. Flowers come in a variety of beautiful shapes, colors, and smells. Many flowers make nectar, a sugary liquid. Certain animals, like bees, come to drink the nectar. The sweet smells and bright colors may encourage animals to visit. As insects move from flower to flower, they carry pollen, which fertilizes the plant, enabling it to make seeds. This important process is called pollination. This unusual flower only opens at night. Bats come to drink the nectar, and as they fly from flower to flower, they pollinate the plants. Only then are the plants ready to begin making seeds. After pollination, bean flowers die off, leaving behind pods containing seeds. Poppies leave a capsule of seeds. When roses die, all that remains are the rose hips, each one containing many seeds. Come fall, we see many seed packets, like those of the hawthorn. Hollyberries cluster among prickly leaves. Each berry holds several seeds. Some seeds are less obvious than others. All seeds must find new homes where conditions are good if they are to germinate. The seeds of this plant are light and feathery. The wind scatters them away from their parent plants. Each is a sort of mini parachute. Thousands are made by each plant, but only a few will develop into new plants. Other seeds travel with the help of animals. This spaniel has collected more than just a stick from the bushes. Prickly fruits called burrs have stuck to its ears. Spurs, which contain seeds, are covered with hooks that cling to the fur or feathers of passing animals. When we remove them or they come off by themselves, they land in new places, away from the parent plant. Animals help spread seeds in other ways. In Africa's Kalahari Desert, watermelons attract many animals that come to feed on the moist fruit. Seeds swallowed accidentally will pass through the creatures unharmed. Later, they fall to the ground as body waste in new places where they may germinate. Water can also carry seeds great distances. A coconut can stay afloat for several weeks. Coconut palm trees live on tropical sandy beaches, many of them on islands. Some of the coconuts that fall to the ground end up in the ocean, which can carry them great distances to new places. When they wash ashore in a suitable place, they may germinate into a new palm plant, a plant that may one day make its own seeds. Some plants, like the Himalayan balsam, get their seeds off to a flying start. Once the bees have pollinated the flowers, seed capsules develop. Each is a small time bomb set to explode. The seeds are catapulted great distances. During autumn, oak trees produce acorns. Once they are mature, they simply fall to the woodland floor where the seeds may germinate. It is astonishing to think that a small seed holds the beginnings of life for an oak tree that may grow for more than 100 years. Seeds are a plant's way of spreading new life to new places. In the great cycle of life, we depend on plants, and plants depend on seeds.